Clue Junior: How to Play. The object of the game is to be the first player to figure out who ate the cake, when they ate it, and what they had to drink. The person who last ate a piece of cake goes first. Then play proceeds clockwise. On your turn, roll the die. If you rolled a yellow, secretly look under any furniture token. If you rolled a white, secretly look under any character pawn. If you rolled a number, move any character pawn up to that many spaces along the connecting footprints. If you move a character to a yellow footprint space, secretly look under the furniture token in that room. If you move a character to a white footprint space, secretly look under that character pawn. If you moved a character on a gray footprint, then nothing happens and you end your turn. You may not land on the same space as another character. You may not move over another character in the way. You may not move a character back to the same space they started on. After you look under a token or pawn, you mark your sheet with the new information, crossing things off as you eliminate them or circling the crumbs when you know where they are. Your turn ends. Pass the die to the next player. Anytime during your turn, when you think you know who ate the cake, what time it was eaten, and what they had to drink, you may make your accusation. Announce who, when, and with what, then secretly look under the bases in the center of the board and the character you're accusing. If you are correct, reveal the solution and you win. If you are incorrect, then you must not reveal the solution and you are eliminated from the game. The others keep playing until someone correctly guesses the solution or there is only one player left in the game.